show you one last feature that Infor introduced a few years ago. If you look on the bottom of the screen right here, we call these tabs. Really, I guess you could call it a shortcut. You might want to call it a favorite. It's really a tab. Notice that the work order tab is highlighted in blue, and that's because I'm on the work order screen. Any screen that the user goes to, he has the ability to right mouse click and add this screen to this cache down here at the bottom. And this is for him to identify the screens that he goes to often so that he can quickly click one of these down here and go there. Well, let me show you how these benefit the user. If the user starts to create a work order and he's starting to fill in the blanks right here, fix the flux capacitor, and forgive my spelling right there, and his boss calls him and says, hey, I want you to go look at PM schedule whatever and tell me what it's doing. I don't have to get out of this screen. I don't have to cancel what I'm doing. I don't have to finish it and save it. I can just simply click on PM schedules and I can query and find whatever it is my boss is asking me to do. And once I get him the answer, I can call him and say, hey boss, this is what you wanted to know, that this PM's done once a year and it was last done. You can tell him whatever. When you go back to your work order screen, Redneck's famous last words, hey y'all, watch this, hold my beer. When I click on work orders, it remembers where I was and I can finish this work order right here.
Okay. The other thing we had discussed was the accessibility. Any browser, basically any device, you can access EAM. So we have accessibility, searchability, and then the dashboards that we hit on. It really kind of gives you a quick glance at your overall performance, ensures compliance, lets you see what departments are spending, where they're spending their time, if you have any overdue work orders or requisitions to approve, etc. So really neat there that you can log in, look at your dashboard, get an overall feel for what's going on in your operations. And something that MP2 does not have.